How to create a quick landing page inside Aweber. It's very important that you're inside the list that you want the landing page on. Otherwise, you'll never find it. So you click on the landing pages and create a landing page. I'm going to do one from scratch. So we want this one. Now everything is in rows. If you're in Builderall, when you build these, you put the panel in and add the elements. Now these are different rows instead of the panels, basically. So we're going to get rid of that one. We're going to get rid of that one. And we're going to get rid of that one. We need two. Actually, there's three there. We want to bring the form across. And we want to get rid of that text. And we're going to put this. Do you want to unlock the secret to digital map? Yes, we do. Okay, now we're going to click on the button. We're going to change the colour to red. And we want the padding on the button to be 200 to make it smaller. So basically squish that. Before it was 12, and if it's 200, it's going to make it squish it together. So we're going to save this and we'll have a look at it. Actually, let's get rid of this first. And save again. Save is your friend. Don't forget, if you want to make this italic, bold, italic, whatever, we want to make it a little bit bigger. Let's try 36. We want it to go on one line. Now we want to save again and then preview it. We want it to be about the same size. So we can go back to the editor. So that bit's done. Double click on here and we can actually write, I want instant access. And we can, oops, access. And then we can make this a bit bigger. So we want that 28 at least. No, we don't. We want it bigger than that. We want it 32. I want a space there. Come on. There. And we want that to be a capital. So we're going to save it. We're going to preview it. Perfect. Save and exit. And we can put the name of the landing page here, which is viral vault 2. And in the settings, I'm going to put VV2. As long as you can remember it, that's, or you can put a name, or you can put opt-in. Let's do opt-in. Oh, opt-in 2. Opt-in 2, because I've done this before. So that's how you make your landing page inside Aweber. The link for Aweber is below. And you will get many more trainings from me, including the workflow sequence, how to do the emails, because it's tons quicker than Builderall. Sorry guys, I've defected.